Всем привет, с вами Вульфи, и сегодня мы продолжаем играть «Волк среди нас», или английская версия «The Wolf Among Us». Вот, как мы помним, вот мы пришли к принцу Лоуренсу. Сразу скажу, я что-то никогда не читал про эту сказку ничего. Ну,
Don't just peep into someone's house. Check if he's home.
да, я тоже так думаю, лучше надо что-то сказать.
Can you hear me?
Ну ладно.
Oh my god.
Go get Dr. Swinehart. I'll stay with him.
No, let me go.
What is it that you're telling us? Bigby, water. Kitchen.
Так, а где кухня? Здесь, да? Вроде правильно направление было. Так. Опа, раковина. Так, воду мы налили. Заплати за квартиру на следующей неделе. Пицца в холодильнике. Пожалуйста,
Did you find it
не
yet?
ищи меня.
If you have something to ask him, you should do it now.
What happened?
Faith. Да, сейчас и ничегошеньки не узнали.
Do you still have that letter?
Yes.
Should I open it? I'm not sure if it's right.
You should. It might be something that helps us. A clue. Or a lead.
I need to know.
What does it say?
I'm sorry. Faith. It's only 2 words, but he died without seeing them. I'm sorry too. We need to figure out what happened here and find whoever did this.
Да, вот и начинается приключение. Так, что-то там еще какие-то письма. Ну, главное, улика, наверное, нож все-таки.
Mir showed me this. Maybe I should have come here first. It's sharp. There's blood on the blade.
I just don't understand. Why would someone want to kill him?
Ну, извините, что я выбрал жабу. Просто я видел, что этот парень уже погиб. Я-то думал, он уже все, не встанет. Как...
Strange. Hard-edged edge of this pool, like something was here and got moved. Still a little sticky.
Так, фото посмотрим.
When do you think that was taken?
Before all this.
Так, тут
Bullet
вообще
passed
что-то
through the
было.
chair. Yeah. The angle works if he shot himself.
Так. Принца самого рассмотреть надо. Так, пуля. Еще одна. Хотя это не пуля даже, это... Ну как гильза.
What is it?
This gun wasn't fired recently. Maybe a week ago. Or more.
Fingerprints?
They'll be on the grip and the trigger.
Так, таблетки.
What are they?
Prescription sleeping pills.
That doesn't really help.
Так, здесь я все проверил. Теперь нужно открыть шкафчик. А, это кровать даже.
Son of a...
What is that?
Stuck to the bed a little. My dearest Faith, I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for the best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
Hopefully they're together now.
About all we can hope for at this point.
Так, ну здесь вроде все. Так. Записку еще раз, если осмотреть.
Second-hand paperbacks. Old encyclopedias.
Так.
Dusty. No one's read these in a while.
Чулан откроем, ладно. В чулане всегда что-то будет. Опа. Такие-
Stay here!
No!
Так и знал уже. Эх, загрузки тут, однако, долгие. Ну ладно, сейчас мы догоним.
Hey! Stop! Leave me alone!
Так, я не успел увидеть это. Так. схватить. Опа. Вот и все, поймали.
Hey!
Вот и поймали.
Ease up, Bigby. We're on the same side here.
You son of a bitch. Make me run after you. Why did you run?
What?
Why did you run?
Fuck, man. Because you chased after me. The fuck was I supposed to do?
A man's dead.
I know how it looks, but I had nothing to do with that.
Then who did?
Look, I was just asking him about the girl. That's all. When I mentioned her being dead, he freaked out. I figured someone had told him. How was I supposed to know? Shit. Fucker shot himself right in front of me. I couldn't stop him, man. You're looking for the woodsman, right? I know where he is. My guy says he's holed up at the trip trap. We can go over there right now, the both of us. My employer's looking to ask him a few questions too.
Так.
What were you doing back there?
Checking out the guy who was married to the girl. Seemed a good place to start. Tracking down leads.
What kind of leads?
Oh, I can't tell you that. It's confidential. Sorry. Sure you understand.
Nope. Can't say that I do. Come on, you're coming with me.
This could have been easy.
Don't worry. It still is. Come on.
Dumb.
Dumb? Yeah, it is. Look, it'd be much easier for you
No, I'm D. He's dumb.
You almost looked peaceful.
to... Yep.
Except you're lying in a dirty alley.
Yep.
With an open wound on the back of your head.
Yep. Where'd they go?
Well, after the one guy hit you, and the other one finished kicking you,
That explains the ribs.
then they jumped into a car and drove off. Come on, get up.
Так, нас побили. Ну,
Guess
в
we're out of
отчасти как
options.
унизили.
Dee mentioned the trip trap.
Then that's where we'll go. I'll call a cab. Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels
Да
like
уж.
we're always a step behind.
The woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
I hope you're right. Bigby? Be honest with me. Who do you think did this? I know it's still early, but I just feel a step behind. It's an uncomfortable feeling.
Лучше промолчать, а то я не знаю.
I can't tell if you don't know or just won't say.
Thanks
I
for
wish
you.
there was... Sorry.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's nothing. I just... Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution.
Да, все серьезно, блин.
I wish there was more we could
Как и в
do.
наши времена.
This
Много
isn't how I thought it would
бомжей,
be.
сирот.
But Crane runs things his own way.
Crane is the one to blame here, not you.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time. I'm more to blame than anyone.
You'll fix it.
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for anything, needing help. Well, I turn you away.
Да,
Now things are
Бедная,
worse off
конечно.
than they've ever been.
бедный городок от счастья. Еще и убийца,
Well,
блин,
that's
ну
not
конец
true.
какой-то.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much. Maybe this isn't for me. I thought public service was pure.
Ты
You should
должна
stick it out.
держаться.
There are fables that would give up a lot to be in the position you're in, and I think it's easier to change something from the inside.
You're telling me change comes from within.
Sure.
Not the advice I imagined hearing from you.
I'm full of surprises.
Maybe you should handle this one.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Bigby. Just be careful. Please.
The same goes for you.
I will.
Отлично. С Белой Снежкой наладили отношения. Теперь идем в детективы. Сейчас посмотрим, чего мы там ожидать можем. Уверен, еще тех жердяев мы встретим. Ну и чё, накажем их по полной программе. Бар цокот копыт. Бронкс. Всегда, когда куда-нибудь входит, поправляет галстук. Фишка, да?
What do you want, Sheriff?
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here. So I guess you can go now.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks. No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Don't let him tell you what to do. You're your own woman.
Well, this is me talking, Bigby. Fuck off.
Так, может, думаю, закончить, хотя... Сейчас книга сказаний я что-то не читал ни разу. Не, что-то мне... Да, еще есть 10 минут. Ну, ладно, значит, можно. Так, спросить.
He a regular?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The one with the bald head and the beard.
Never seen him.
Whose is that?
Someone who left.
Why didn't you dump it? If you want a cleaner place, feel free to get the fuck out of here. I'm sensing a very hostile tone from you. Don't deny it. I'm good at picking up on this stuff.
Не нарывайся, парень, да?
A lot of these walk out the door?
Yeah, it's called advertising.
You get a refund?
Fuck you. The word's getting out.
Так, дальше. Перед тем, как его допросить, я посмотрю на все.
Let me solve the mystery for you. They're pickled eggs.
Oh, I know what they are. I'm just trying to figure out why anyone would eat this.
Так. Сигаретный автомат.
Damn.
Садимся.
A lot of stools in this place. But there's only one right next to you.
You gonna order something? Or you just here to bother my customers? You know what I mean.
Give me a Midas Gold.
You want a lime?
Sure.
I think they have some at the bar down the street.
Think that's funny? Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious.
Да, что-то ты офигел, парень.
It was alright.
Малек.
Come on, guys. I don't want to be here. You don't want me here. The sooner you answer my questions, the sooner I'll be out of here.
Чувствую, это дровосек наш любимый, да?
Ollie, you're out of paper towels and
Saved your beer for you. Holly wanted to clear it, but I said no. You'll be back. Now here you are.
you and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Well, Woody, that makes two of us. You're in luck. I decided to switch seats. I just want to talk. This doesn't have to go like this.
Maybe he don't want to talk to you.
Why don't we let him tell me that?
It's okay, Grant.
таки хочется врезать в эту морду одноглазую. Ну ладно. Я все-таки
It's
пытаюсь
funny.
быть более
Just a minute
вежливым.
ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. Big bad wolf. Now I'm the bad guy and you're sheriff. Kind of fucking world is that, huh?
Come on, Woody. You know why I'm here.
You want to know what happened?
Amongst other things, sure.
It's funny. The shit you're willing to do for money. I'd walk past her place for weeks. She didn't look like it, but she had money. I was sure of it. She wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time. I wasn't there to save her.
So, you were planning on robbing her?
Yeah? Her and her grandma.
Grandma? Wait, what are you talking about?
Red Riding Hood. Her grandmother. I was there to rob them. But when I showed up, you were already there. Lying in the bed. I only saved her because I thought she might give me a reward. But she didn't give me shit. Except a bunch of people thinking I'm something I ain't. I played along as I could. Only thing I managed to get from it was a free drink every now and again. Not a good that did.
I already know this story, Woody.
You should. You were there.
I'm not talking about Red Riding Hood. I'm here about Faith. She was murdered.
What? Faith? Who's
The
that?
girl you were beating on this morning.
No. I was here. I swear.
It doesn't look good when a girl you were just smacking around shows up dead hours later.
She's dead? Bigby, listen, I'm a piece of shit, okay? I know that. I hit that girl, I did. I shouldn't have, but I didn't kill her.
Да.
You believe me, right?
Что-то я чувствую,
gonna
он
string me
правду
up,
говорит
baby.
почему-то.
Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
He was here. That's the fucking truth, Sheriff.
You see? Bigby, please. You can't. They'll throw me down the witching well. That's what they'll do. And I didn't do it. You know that.
Да, я чувствую, что он действительно этого не делал почему-то.
Hey, stop! This isn't what I want.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. Only comes sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
Lapdog? Really?
Holly's sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
Лучше бы молчал, чувак.
That all you got?
Seemed to be enough.
Don't be so sure.
Oh, good.
Чары кончились, да?
Should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Come on. You're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
Надо быстрее. Так. Поднимайся. может, я зря его ударил все-таки. Опа-на. Вот так, я тебе сказал, бежать. Лежать, парень. Лежать.
He's had enough. Whiskey. Double.
Ну, вот, стали нормальными.
Shit.
It's not like you were gonna pay for it anyway.
Don't even think about it.
Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in?
If you run, it'll be worse. Trust me.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named... Fuck.
Так, за кем бежать-то? За тем, за этим тросик, короче.
You said you wouldn't hurt me.
You said you wouldn't run. Shit.
Guy's covered in blood and you let him go?
No one asked you.
Ah!
Come on. You're under arrest.
I didn't do it.
And you got nothing to worry about.
Ну, думаю, на этом я остановлюсь пока. Но сначала увидим. Ну.
Do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
All right.
Так, это мне не нравится. уже плохо. Конечно, может, я что-нибудь неправильно сделал. Может, мне действительно надо было бежать за этим тру. Но... не знаю. Не знаю, сложный вопрос. Но, значит, на этом и заканчивается эта глава. О, и следующий эпизод, конечно же, реклама, как Walking Dead. Ладно, думаю, на этом сегодня я заканчиваю.
Very special.
Who else is involved? The girl with the coat.
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh God, it's one of us.
Wait, the big fat guy still walking the streets?
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks for not saying anything.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to punish someone. We can arrange that.
What did you do?
Friend on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Иллюзия. Ладно, на сегодняшнюю серию я заканчиваю. Спасибо за внимание. И до новых встреч.